The classic cornucopia, reimagined with a complex color harmony of today. The stars of the show, Mochaccino roses, one of our favorites. The mechanics, starting with a base of floral foam, taped in, plastic liner, that way it holds it secure and watertight. The flowers, everything from floralabundance.com. The Mochaccino roses, amazing. And then taking it to a little different autumn vibe, going with the kangaroo paws. Adding in some plastic grapes, not from Floral Abundance, and then a bit of foliage. The foliage, you can do an aspidistra, and then just place it in and wrap it around, feeding it down inside. Giving just a little bit of coverage, letting it pop out. A monstera leaf, bringing it down low to draw the eye outward. So you're getting a little bit of base foliage. Then, for the plastic grapes, tying them together using bind wire, then securing it using a pick machine, and letting that drape in. You can actually pierce through your leaf to help hold that in place. And then repeat it with another, up just a little bit higher to bring that lovely grape look upward. Before we add the stars of the show, going back with a bit of base materials, some rosemary, adding fragrance. Adding that in, and it can actually pierce through the leaves, giving you security, saving the bits. You may use that again later. And some millet, adding in a little linear vibe for some contrast. Coming out low. Once we get started with flowering, we already have texture and some beautiful accents to set it all off. The Mochaccino roses, they fill in so nicely. They even come out, show off that beautiful face. And they're super long lasting, so they're great for holiday work. Shadowing underneath, drawing the eye inward. And then coming back with the kangaroo paw, that soft mauve, letting it come out the front. And then also bringing it up through the top. As you work, be sure to turn it. Make sure it looks good from the side, from the front, and from the opposite side. You want it to look good all the way around. Then going back, and the essence of the season, chrysanthemums, using the new miniature varieties. They're so fabulous. And tucking those in, giving a little bit of brightness, coming out over the top to look delicate and light, and add depth to the arrangement. The recipe, everything from floralabundance.com. I started with one aspidistra leaf and one monstera leaf. Then I filled in with the plastic grapes. Then to enhance, 2 stems of rosemary that was broken apart. So it might only take 1. It depends on how big your stems are. 4 stems of the kangaroo paw, then 3 stems of the millet, 6 of the Mochaccino roses, and then 1 stem cut apart of the tiny little spray chrysanthemums. The cornucopia, just one aspect of the holiday season. You'll find so much more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Find the classic, Pick your flowers, create a way. Be sure to take a picture and post it on social media. Hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.